Alright, hello. We are going to Oklahoma's largest natural staircase. In case you're wondering about these, remember I said I was going to go on a hike and see how these pockets from Outdoor Vitals do on their backpack. I can already tell you I don't like having these in my in my peripheral vision there. Also, yes, it's the Shadowlight backpack, as I said. Just taking this for another hike. And, gosh, it's almost like I'm an Outdoor Vital fanboy. I'm wearing the Dragonwool Hoodie by them. I got it from them on a garage sale clearance from their site. So, it was a lot cheaper than normal. It's Dragonwool. I guess it's a, if I'm wrong, I'll put it down below. It's a blend of it's a polyester and a wool. It's got a hood. It's got these, where are they at? Little thumb holes. I don't recall in the past ever being like, wow, I wish my hoodie had thumb holes, but they're there. I can tell you about this hoodie though. I wish it had some sort of pockets. It's got a zip. And let's just get it out of the way. Today's blade is the Spyderco Shaman. It is the Shaman with a clip. Aftermarket clip. I'm not sure who it's by. Since I'm not big into the Spyderco aftermarket, I'll put who made that deep pocket carry clip below. These are already getting on my nerves. Oh well, that's why you try things out, right? You just can't go that way. I think they're setting up for some sort of event today too. This is my first time out here since they started redoing this whole area. So I really don't know what to expect. Also, it's my first time out here, well, on any sort of hike. Even a short one in a long time. It's been working way too much. A little din there. Yeah, I've been working way too much to get out. And then of course, I'm putting out a few videos, but been working way too much to actually, get out and hike and enjoy life, like I said. This is new. Yep. They got all new signage out here, which is really nice. Oh, what's this? I guess maybe, I don't know. Am I almost there or not? I don't know. There's a lot of trails out here. Oh, I wonder if this is it. This might be it. Oklahoma's largest natural staircase. I'm guessing this is it. What makes it natural? I don't know, I guess natural materials. I guess that's what makes it natural. Because, obviously this was not made by nature. Again, this is an urban wilderness area. So there will be other people and road noise and stuff out here. It's still going. I wonder if these flat sections like this and larger count. Okay, here's where it's gonna get tough. Sorry for the heavy breathing, but that's what you get when you get out of shape. This is probably the official staircase. No bears out here, just me breathing heavy. Almost there. Ta-da! The gateway. The upper gateway. Alright. Hikers and non-race participants and race spectators the other way. Well, I'm not a race spectator. I guess I'm a hiker. But I just wanted to check out the staircase and not go all the way around, since this is my first hike back in like 6 months, 9 months, something like that. I wish the camera button during video mode took the pro pictures. That'd be nice. So, alright, on my way down. I got stuff to do this morning, so I'm not gonna hike all the way around. So, this natural staircase is pretty steep. I would say it's moderately steep, but I have gone up steeper staircases in the New York City subway system. So, while this is steep, it's not the worst I've gone up. And that's saying something coming from me, because I don't do steep a lot, for obvious reasons. And I just realized I've been hiking this hike with my fly down almost the whole time. The way up and the way down. And I've passed like 4 groups of people so far during this entire hike with my fly down. Yeah. So it's a good thing I wore underwear today. All up and straight to the top someday. Okay, so my usage review of these pockets. Yeah, they carry well. Just, I don't know, they still feel kind of high on the straps, even though I got them pulled down. Yeah, I guess I don't like the part where they're in my peripheral vision, especially this one, because this one, it's like if I slip or take a fall, boom, boom, that's gonna be a bad time. But otherwise, they seem to be working out fine. Maybe I can make some more adjustments to them and somehow they'll lower down. I don't know, I'll try to figure that out. The Shadowlight 60-liter pack still, you know, carries well. Still kind of hot, you know, can use somehow some sort of a little bit better breathability on the back. No, they've done what they can, but maybe I'm just a snob in that way with, you know, back sweat, back heat. But I mean, you know, it's carried well so far. Never got the squeaks that some people are complaining about from this pack, so that's good. No squeak so far. Still might do the electric tape mod though, just to prevent it if it comes up in the future, maybe. Alright, now for the review of the Dragonwool hoodie. It was 46 degrees when I got here. It is now 45 degrees. I've not been cold the entire time. Maybe it's because I've been moving. Maybe it's because there's not really any wind at all. Maybe there's a very small breeze, but that's it. But yeah, I've been warm the whole time, so that's nice. I saw some people online complaining of like pilling or like the wool or the layers separating when they're hiking. Outdoorvitals said that's because this is a wool blend and it's supposed to be a base layer, not an outer layer, so your backpack rubbing causes that. Again, I haven't had any issues, or at least no issues today with it, so I can't say it was right or wrong, but I can just say I've had no issues. For these little thumb holes, as I said before, never used them before on other layers, didn't use them this hike. Maybe they're a nice option to have in the future, I don't know. But I mean, you know, I've liked this. Yeah, it's got a pretty good sized hood and I can't even see y'all. So yeah, got your zip. So yeah, I mean, overall this hoodie's pretty decent. I'm kind of sensitive to wool, so there is like a slight irritation or itch on this. Maybe some woolite. After a couple washes of woolite, it'll, you know, take care of that. I don't know. Morning. Maybe. I mean, it's not bad. It's not like it's not like it's 100%, you know, rough wool. Not even merino wool. It's not like it's 100% rough fiber wool directly on the skin. It's, you know, a blend of a merino, so it's tolerable, but I think it needs a couple of woolite washes. Other than that, yeah, this worked out fine. The Shadowlight backpack continues to work out fine. The pockets work out okay. I mean, I think it's a personal thing for me why they're kind of iffy, but for other people might be just fine. They're not a bad product. As for just this area, since they've redone it, I mean, just that natural staircase hike was kind of neat to see that, and can't wait to explore the other trails someday whenever I get back around here. So anyway, that's what's going on. Remember, get outside, enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.